Hi family, welcome to the Luck Mom's channel. My name is the Luck Mom Deborah Nyanchoka. I'm here at the village and I want to show you how we cook in our village. This is our kitchen. We are using sacks as walls here. These are just sacks. And now I want to show you a typical routine of African mother. Now I'm cooking lunch for my champions. And I just want to show you what we use here. We have this pipe. In case you want to lit your fire, you have to use it like this. You can see we are using 3 stones. This is African way. We are using 3 stones here to cook. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is my sufuria boiling. I want to cook ugali. Ugali is our staple food here in Africa, especially our community, Gusi community. So I'm going to cook. This is my matchstick, and I'm just using firewood. This is the firewood we are using. No gas. It is a natural gas, by the way. And you can see my fire is already red here. And now I want to cook because water has already boiled. Let's cook ugali together. Just stay tuned till the end. Now African mother cooking for the kids. Rules for kitchen is just the same. You have to cover your head when you are cooking. Hata kama umeshuka vizuri, you have to cover your head because this is food and this is life. Just stay tuned and tell me if you have ever cooked. What is your staple food in your country? In our community, staple food is ugali, and ugali is just a mixture of water and maize meal, but you have to knead it using this is called cooking stick. In our language we call it muiko, or in French we call it tekebrugo. So I'm just cooking. Just stay tuned, guys. When you are cooking ugali, you don't need to put flour continuous. This is my flour. You know, we used to keep flour in pots, but nowadays we are just using these modern pots of packets. So once you just you have to put little bit and wait until it boils again. Then you continue adding little by little, not at once, so that it will become somehow thick. So now it has boiled again. You have to add more to make it thick. Those people think that I don't know how to cook. Today I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm the best chef here in the village. Whenever I'm in the village, people leave space for me in the kitchen. If somebody comes to the kitchen, they will say that you are abusing our chef, so they allow me to cook. For those people I worried about our natural gas, you don't pay for this one. This one you have to go to the forest and gather it, and then you come lit the fire, use this firewood. So I'm adding more to make it ready. Meanwhile, you can rate my cooking up to 10. Because I'm using small sufuria, I'm using 1 hand. If I was using the big one, I could have used 2 hands like this. Guys, I know how to cook, by the way. I know people think that, oh, like mom, your work is to just talk. You don't know even how to cook. Today I have to prove you wrong, that I know how to cook. I'm praying that my sufuria doesn't disappoint me, guys. So I want to add a little bit because it's now already thick. If you don't know how to cook ugali as the easiest recipe ever, life materials you can also learn from here. If you are planning to get married to the village, start getting used with this one. Hope my sufuria is not going to disappoint me. So if you are planning to get married to the village, especially to the African village, this is exactly what you expect. You can see now it's almost ready, because I can just flip it over without any problem. Just look at it. Guys, you see? I know some people are already salivating because they love ugali, but it is not ready yet. You need to be patient with it. So if you have any question concerning how to cook this ugali, let me know. Oh, you can serve this ugali with greens. It can be kales, cabbage, or the kienyeji, the way we call it here at home. You have to, or you can just serve it with meat. Guys, the smoke is here. No giving up. Anyway, guys, I have to cook because my kids also, they need to eat. Guys, you can see the way I'm flipping this ugali. You can see? Yeah, the work of my hands. I'm very proud of it. This is the work of my hands. If you saw me starting, now I'm just finishing. The moment you flip it over like this, it's already ready. Now you can just remove it. Just wait. I'm going to show you when it will be ready to be removed. It's not easy, guys, but I'm trying my best. So have you ever cooked using the 3 stones? I think you have learned from the lucky mom. Now I want to put it in my plate. It's ready. So the moment it's ready, it's you can just smell a certain smell, which is very nice. Very nice. So yeah, it's ready. Now I can just remove it. Guys. Hey, my ugali now is ready. You can see the way smoke is coming out. I'm going to serve it with veggies or maziwalala. Just stay tuned. So do you like my cooking skill? Just rate it out of 10. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye.